Hi, I'm Ben Buckner with Ag Resource Company. I'm joined by my colleague Bill Tierney. Bill, what did we learn today from the USDA's August report?
Well, the biggest surprise of all was what happened in the soybean market. The USDA's number came in almost 200 million bushels above the average trade estimate, and it was even above the highest trade estimate. Now, I've got history, very painfully compiled history over my 35 years in the business. I've got the last 33 years of what the August crop estimate was and the average trade expectation. This report was 5.3% above the average trade estimate. Now, the previous all-time discrepancy, positive, was 5.1. So, in the last 34 years, we've never seen an August crop report this big in relation to expectations.
Yeah, it seems like in one fell swoop, the USDA totally eliminated the supply risk associated with the excessive June rainfall. And here we are, yields were much better than expected. And to what we found, I think, is that the USDA won't change yield or acreage much from September. So we all just kind of had to adapt to these new production estimates, which are very big.
Yes, they are. But I think the biggest surprise in soybeans is not going to be so much an alteration of the supply number, though that's possible, because we still have some important growing weather yet to do for soybeans in the month of August. I think the important thing, and I think that's what's going to slowly evolve, is that the market's going to realize that export demand, at least according to the USDA, is seriously overestimated.
Yeah, when we go back tomorrow, we're going to measure weather and export sales, which we'll get, and also world FOB price relationships, and those haven't changed at all. We're still very expensive compared to South American corn, South American beans, and Black Sea wheat, so we're gaining supply and still losing export demand.
Yeah, and in addition to that, if you take a look at the weekly pace of export shipments and ship lineups, both in Brazil and Argentina, they continue to grow, not only for soybeans, but also for corn. And because of the depreciation of the currency of the Brazilian real and the Argentine peso, these high prices that we've had now are going to greatly stimulate increased area. And it's possible, we're not looking for it right now, but it's possible that you could see much larger increases in area than the USDA is currently estimated, or even some people in the trade are estimating.
Yeah, that's why people have to keep in mind that people are making a lot more money in Russia and Brazil than they are in the U.S., so acres will probably expand there.
Yeah, I agree.
Thanks for joining us. This has been Ben Buckner and Bill Tierney, and we'll see you next time.